This pod series continues discussing some worldly and hereafter benefits of possessing true faith in Islam, meaning, faith which is supported by actions. The next benefit of faith is that it allows one to gain benefit from advice. Chapter 51, verse 55.
And remind, for indeed, the reminder benefits the believers.
Faith leads a person to adhere firmly to the truth and follow it at all times in both speech and actions. Because of this, there is nothing preventing them from accepting advice and acting on it. Whoever does not actualize their faith easily rejects the truth. This is why Allah, the Exalted, tells us that it is disbelief itself that prevents a non-Muslim from believing in the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. It is important for Muslims, especially in this day and age, to understand the difference between those who discuss certain topics which may be considered controversial in order to genuinely benefit people through a positive change, and those who simply discuss these issues in order to attract the attention of others. Those who desire a positive change in society will always show respect and good character towards others, especially to those they are challenging through their words. They never resort to vulgar language or actions in order to declare their point of view. They instead study and understand the subject they are debating about without misinterpreting or falsifying information in order to support their point of view. Their criticism is always constructive, and their genuine and sincere intention to improve the society is shown through their behavior and words. These are the people who Muslims should pay attention to, as if they are correct, it will improve society for everyone. But if their viewpoint is wrong, they will accept the truth when it is made clear to them by others. But those who behave opposite to this correct attitude, whether they are found in the media or anywhere else, should simply be ignored, as they do not desire to improve the lives of people. They are starved for attention and like an infant act out in order to attract some attention from others. Muslims should not circulate and pass on videos or other content which are linked to people like this, as they are playing right into their hands and giving them the attention they so badly desire. Debating with these people is a complete waste of time because of their evil intention and behavior. Muslims should instead place their efforts in other useful places which benefit them and others in both worlds.